Grant here from Spectra Racing. So I'm going to make a quick video here on how to get more angle out of your Mustang and possibly other sports cars for free. So the first step may not be free, but it depends on your wheel. So in my case here, I'm going to be putting on some thick boy spacers. So what this will do, and we'll get to the free part in a second, is this is going to kick out your wheel more. So depending on the offset of your wheel, which can vary from car to car, and you may have to test to see if this will work, is this will kick your wheel out more, so when you have it at full lock, you won't kind of hit the inside here of your wheel well. So let's move on to the next part. Alright, so the next step is to get underneath your car and find the power steering rack boot. So in here is going to be a little spacer, and removal of that spacer will get you more angle. Okay, so you see we have the boot off, and you see this plastic urethane spacer. This should be in your car. Removal of this spacer will get you a little bit more angle. So you see here, when you initially take this off for the first time, it's not going to have this notch. What I did is I created this notch so I can easily take it on and off. So when you first do this, you're going to have to be very careful and use a Dremel and take it off. And then when you put it back on, take a little bit out of it, and then you can easily just pop it on and off like so. There you go.